What's going on, y'all? Every penny counts. I want to give y'all a cash out video on Earn Honey. All right, now this is one of my best sites when it comes to making money, mainly with videos, but they have other opportunities on here. You see my balance here? That's equivalent to $5.29. They do what they call opt-in. You'll see the conversion rate right there. One opt-in equals 10 cents. So, like I said, it's basically almost $5.30. But it's $5.29. I'm actually cash out $5. I don't really know why they make it like that, but it's basically, not that difficult to accumulate. It's basically like, a site that has a minimum cash out of $5. They're not difficult to accumulate, but you see here, this is how you make your money. All right, with the videos, you basically just letting them play. Very simple. You see here that you can do it on your phone or your computer and or both. You see here sometimes they have bonuses. Look, 33% bonus on earning. Every video, every ad that plays, you'll get 0.04 opt-in. You just let it play. It plays all day, all night until you tell it to stop. This is something I do while I'm at work or I'm not at the house, things like that. Just let my videos play and make money with that. Also, they have opportunities here. If you go down to the bottom, you click on check for premium offers. You have to verify that you're not a robot by clicking on that, and you'll open up for more offers. Okay. Now this is why I make good money with this site. I cash out pretty much once a week with this site, mainly through the videos. But the Peanut Labs is really good. They give disqualification points in the Peanut Labs for that. And also I do offer Turo and AdGate Media. And I've mentioned those a lot in my videos because those are very good offer walls. They have good offers in there. Basically just signing up for something to confirm your email, bam, you get your points. Just that simple. So this site is really known for the videos, but I really want to point out that they have other opportunities on here. And the fact that they're known for the videos, they really have good offers because they want people to actually try the offers on their website. You know what I'm saying? So pay attention to, going down to the bottom of the page and checking out some of the offers, doing some of the Peanut Lab surveys because you do get disqualification points for doing that. And, you can really cash out very fast on this site by just doing those, just watching videos and, doing an offer here and there and a survey here and there. All right, so I'm going to cash out real quick. I'm going to go over to standard redemptions. Okay, this is how you redeem. VIP redemptions, I'm not really sure what that is, but standard redeems works the same. You can get a virtual Visa gift card. I'm not really sure what the opt-in is on that. You can get Amazon gift cards and PayPal, and if you would like, you can donate to charity, things of that nature. Okay, get PayPal and click on that, and then go down here. You see down here, and you see here if your PayPal account is unverified, that's what you would have to get. Okay, it says right there, you can kind of see unverified PayPal. You have to have 57.5 opt-in if it's unverified. So it's very important that you actually have a verified PayPal account. If you're not sure how to verify that, just log into your PayPal account and it'll have something that shows you how to verify the steps you have to take. It's not difficult. It's basically confirming your identity, confirming your personal information, so they know it's you and you're not being a victim of stealing somebody's identity, things of that nature. All right, so I'm going to click on opt-in. Now some personal information like my phone number will pop up, so I'm going to take it down here. The only reason I do that is because I don't want my phone number to be shown. Matter of fact, I hit the wrong button. I went to personal information. I had to and I got to go back to standard redeem. I hit the wrong button. Going to PayPal, going down to get this, put the camera right here, because now they're going to send me a code to my phone number. You have to have your phone number on here, and it will send you a code basically every time you cash out, just to make sure that it's you, to make sure your account is not at risk, things like that. That's why they do that. So you see here now my phone, I just get a notification. There's notification, and I'm going to type that in real quick. It's just a 6-digit code that it will send to you. So I'm going to type that in right quick. Click next. So I'll type that in. It's going to ask me, just make sure that this is me, things like that. And I'm going to go down and click next. And there you have it. It's confirmed. You see here, PayPal account has been sent. It's on its way. So it usually takes about a day or two for it to actually come. Just wanted to show you that proof that it's that site is still paying. Like I said, I cash out on the site about once a week. You know, just let my videos play, doing a survey here and there. The link will be in the description so you can sign up. Site has been around a very long time. You know, and it has a lot of bonuses, a lot of you know, good ways to make money with it. Like I said, it's really known for the videos. So if you're one of the people that like to make money watching videos, this is the #1 site that you should use. But I do recommend doing offers on here and surveys as well, because they don't have a lot of people doing that. And to get people to do them, they pay higher with their offers. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you're using this site. And like I said, you can sign up today with the link in the description and start making money with Earn Honey. All right, it's a very, very good site. You're going to make money every day, basically passive. It's one of the best passive sites out there. So I really do recommend it. And you guys got to get started on today. So sign up with the link in the description today. And remember, every penny counts.